What's going on, everybody? Joe here today with a lot of stuff in this video. We've got a haul, which is also going to lead to an unboxing. We have a giveaway that I am giving away to one subscriber, randomly of course. We have a few questions that I have to ask also. And so with all that being said, we don't have much time to waste. So let's go ahead and let's get started. So the first box, where's my knife? It's a long time knife. It's the first time I'm doing one of these unboxings too. So if you want to see more, let me know in the comments. There will be more purchases being made now that I'm reviewing again, but obviously, as you can see on the side of the page here, this has been brought to us by the House of Dua. Not that it was given to me. I did go out of my way to purchase this fragrance. All of these fragrances, I go out of my way to purchase, unless specified differently. So there's that. For those that don't know how a Dua package comes, that's kind of how it is. I only got one bottle. And since all these are niche brands, and those who know me know that I don't throw the niche boxes, if they're like an indie brand or, you know, a niche like that, you'll get 3 box throws. So here's one. The receipt is all that is. This is how the Dua packaging comes. And you know what? I'm not even gonna do it. They started doing this where you get this thank you for your purchase. I know it's kind of hard to see, but basically one of a couple of agents, and that's who that is. These literally just came in today, and I just want to do this so this way y'all see. It's an original from Dua, Noble Irish Cream. Dua is known for making clones, but they also have some really good original fragrances. This one was in honor of the whole St. Patrick's Day that just passed. And this is a long-time favorite of a lot of people. This is basically going to smell like Bailey's Irish Cream, the chocolate liqueur type of fragrance. So you're gonna get cinnamon. Already I smell the cinnamon. It literally smells like I just popped open a thing of Bailey's, but I'm smelling a little bit of cinnamon immediately off the top, and even like patchouli. I sprayed it into the cap. Yeah, this is really, really strong. It has a boozy for sure vibe. This would be super casual for work. I mean, not for work. Do not wear this to work. See, it's already getting me buzzed. Yeah, so this is basically going to be like a chocolate. There's a little bit of coffee undertones in here. If you want me to review a couple of those, let me know. But until then, we're gonna go to the next one. For the next one, we got from the House of Alexandria. Also, I did order Redbrook Parfums, the Redolescence Brooklyn Fragrance Lover, rest in peace, fragrance. So that'll be coming soon. Let me know if you want me to, well, no, I will be doing a review of that. But if you ordered it, leave that in the comments below. not box throw, but it's something. It came like this. Ah, here's the box. Really nice Alexandria gold. Parfum Excellence. This is my first Alexandria from the brand. That's how it comes in a 1.8 ounce bottle. Really thick cardboard insert. And there's the fragrance. This fragrance was Tropical Night, because it's about to be the spring and summertime and I needed something nice. Strong sprayer for those who've never used an Alexandria fragrance before. That's how it comes out. Wow, that's impressive. Yeah, this thing is really, really bright with bergamot lime off rip. It's a hint of like, it's a bunch of citrus. Whoa. Little coconut undertones in it and some sort of like fizzy booze, like a mojito or something right now. I have to spend a little bit of time with this, but this will be a banger for the summer. Tropical Night from Alexandria. You know, this, and it comes with a wooden top and Alexandria's logo also. I'll be doing reviews on all of these, but I just figured this would be something fun to do to provide you all with content. Have you all tried anything from Alexandria? Let me know if there's anything, any of their original creations. I'm trying to stick to more of the original fragrances that they came out with. But if there's any that I should try, let me know down below. The other one that did pique my interest was Hawaii Volcano, but I went with this way instead because I like the note lineup a little bit more. So, next vid. Finally, I was interested in this because Brad BP Wool has been doing a few reviews on them. Those who don't know who he is, I'll leave his link down below. Awesome dude. He is really one of my bros. I've known him since I've been in the fragrance game. Really anyone who watches YouTube videos knows who Brad is. He has like the most YouTube videos ever in life. Awesome guy. Yeah, so he's been doing like multiple videos on this house, and I saw Red Adolescence also drop a video or two, but Brad kind of sold me. So this is how Michael Malul packaging comes. Again, all of these were bought by me. Nothing was given. Comes wrapped up in this boxing. And as you see, there's a whole bunch of samples. I went ahead and just got the sample pack because they have a lot of fragrances. There's 3 of them right there just in one hand. Another 3 right there. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeet. So yeah, so we have 10 samples here. I'm not about to do a testing on all these right this moment. You see, I'm not about to do a thing on every single one of these right now. I'm gonna take my time with these, especially now that I sprayed the Alexandria. But we have Quartet, Jet Black Reserve. That was one of the ones that piqued my interest. Also Citizen Jack. Citizen Jack, I really want to try that. Hold on. Okay, so there's a Quartet Bloom, which was the first one, and a Quartet Blue. Not quite sure on all these. I kind of just got the pack. They do it where you basically just have to pay for the shipping, and the shipping was about $10, $10.35 US dollars. And so I figured why not, especially again, Brad kind of sold me on that house just in talking about it. Jet Black Platinum, Quartet Candy. There's a lot of quartets, whoa. Quartet Spice, Quartet Black Tie, Quartet Santorini, Visionaire, and I am so glad. I was getting a little worried, but we got my Citizen Jack. Absolute, not the regular one. I forgot that they even have an Absolute. So I'm gonna go ahead and just give my thoughts, not my full review, but just a quick what I think. That's how their samples come. It's like the standard 2 milliliter sample vials that have the sprayer. So took a second for it to come out, but it's there. Wow. This is definitely having like some woods in this already. Woods but green, but this is masculine. This is definitely one of the more masculine leaning fragrances. You could tell that there's like some sort of leather maybe that I'm getting from this, like a suede. Woods. I'm getting like this lemon blast too. Yeah, I'm gonna have to spend my time with that one. Another one that was one of their, like one of the ones that I know this brand for making was Jet Black Platinum, or the Jet Black line period, but Platinum and Reserve were two of the ones. See, this one came a little different. This is how this one came, which is more of your like Sephora, for those who remember when Sephora used to do samples. Oh wow. Off rip, and which is why I'm gonna have to spend more time with this. This reminds me of Lamal so much. This has Lamal with leather. Before I go ahead and like give it that title, I'm gonna go ahead and just wait. I just realized, wow. I had these here to spray a few of them on, and I didn't even use it. That's true fragrance enthusiast fashion. Yeah, so definitely woods, some sort of mint or like eucalyptus type of. This reminds me of like Lamal or Allure Sport a little bit right now. So I'm gonna have to let this chill, spend some time with these vials, something slightly in there, some sort of accord going on. I'm gonna have to let this sit on my skin and figure it out, and then, like I said, come back to you all. But that is Michael Malul. I love the fact that they came with multiple samples. Gives me a chance to really deep dive into the line, and like I said, I'll let you know what I think. So that was the haul and unboxing. Well, almost haul, because I still don't have the red book yet. The red book is en route, but I want to do this video for you all now. Giveaway. For some, well, not for some reason, because these fragrances are really, really nice, but Michael Malul, no, I'm not just giving away this. I bought a whole nother sample pack to then turn around and give to one of my subscribers. Once I receive it, I'll spend a little bit of time with this first, then on the review from Michael Malul, you know, I'll go ahead and do the giveaway for a sample pack then. So don't worry about anything just right now, but I just wanted to let you all know that one of you will be receiving a sample pack soon of that, and also that as you kind of see, I have this microphone here now, and I told you all I was stepping up the production. Let me know if like live streams or something you want me to start incorporating, maybe doing 2 videos a week, one where I do a live stream, the other where I do a fragrance review, or if I, you know, and we just talk fragrances. I want to get to know some of you all a lot more, you know, or I'll just go ahead and do some more unboxings, but now there'll be more live unboxings. That's kind of what I'm trying to figure out right now. What would you all like for me to do? I'm getting more stuff coming in. I'm getting I still don't even have my collection yet. I know that it was asked for me to do a collection video, and I would love to do that. I just actually have to get my collection back first. It's still in storage. But anything, leave it down below. I love to hear from you all, guys, girls, anyone. Just put it in the comments. Let me know how your day is, what fragrances you've been into lately, anything really. I mean, I'm even into gaming now. I have a gaming channel if we just want to watch me game while we talk fragrances. I'm definitely down for that. Let's just go ahead and, you know, bring unity into the community. That's what I'm trying to do in 2021. So that was this video. Let me know, have you tried Michael Malul, Alexandria, or Dua? You know, what are your thoughts? Are you a gamer? Are you into sneakers? Those are some of the hobbies outside of just fragrances that I'm into. I just want to hear from you all, because I love to hear from you all, you know, and I just want to make more content. So, thank you all for watching. Until next time, my name's Joe. I'll see you all later.